With a global presence, Fairmate has cemented its position as one of India's finest multinational companies specializing in construction chemicals. Their commitment to delivering affordable solutions and top-notch services sets them apart. Fairmate introduces Fairmate Waterplug. It is a blend of cements, well-graded sands and special additives in dry powder form. It requires only the addition of clean water to produce ready-to-use, ultra-rapid setting, plugging and patching mortar. Fairmate Waterplug instantly repairs leakages in concrete masonry structures, preventing water loss. It is used for fixing nozzles or grouting operations, as well as for stopping immediate water seepages in dams, water tanks, basements, sunken pits, and floor junctions. Advantages of Fairmate Waterplug. Stops running water instantly. Easy to use, simply add water. Sets under water. High structural strength. Low exotherm, minimizes thermal cracking. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.